Hi Chris, yeah, I'm Paul Jackson, I'm the CEO of Martin Events, and we're staging a major production in Turkey this summer. In the
Two events, I believe, the World Luxury Lingerie Show and the World Luxury Swimwear Show, is that correct?
Yes, absolutely, it's a world first, happening in the last weekend of August and the first weekend of September at the magnificent Martin Palace. It really is a beyond 5-star, well beyond, on the Turkish Riviera. And it's the perfect spot to host a World Luxury Swimwear Show and World Luxury Lingerie Show.
And what can guests expect during the event?
What we're going to be doing is bringing 15 of the top swimwear brands from around the world, all four corners of the globe, from Australia, Brazil, the United States of America, Europe, Italy, France, the United Kingdom, together with 150 models from around the world. And we're going to be putting together a medley show showcasing all of these brands over the course of 10 days. And that format will be repeated the following weekend for the World Lingerie Show. Same thing, leading luxury lingerie brands from around the world with 150 models.
I've been to Mardan myself, and it really is an exquisite property. We're here at ITB 2012, the world's biggest travel show. How's the response been from the market so far?
Well, firstly, I must say that I've been very impressed with Turkey Incorporated. The way this has been organised, the level of professionalism, and you can really see why they're becoming a real force on the global tourism map. We've been dealing with a lot of the inbound Turkish tour operators and marketing this event, and it's been very well received. It's definitely going to be the hottest ticket on the Riviera this summer.
We'll see if we can get our names on the guest list, and we'll see you there. Thanks very much for talking to us.
Thanks Chris.